Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, we are going to explore how to fix the "you have swiped right too much" error on Bumble. So now let's get right into it and start the video. First of all, wait for 24 to 48 hours. Bumble temporarily limits swiping if you have swiped too much in a short time. Or you can also fix the error by upgrading to Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium, which may lift the restriction. In this app, you need to be more selective with your swipes to avoid triggering the limit again. If it does not fix the problem, simply go to your settings and then navigate to apps and search for Bumble, tap on it, again scroll down and tap on storage and try clearing the cache by tapping on the clear cache option at the bottom left corner. But if the issue persists, reach out to Bumble support for help. This block is usually temporary, so just a little patience goes a long way. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.